Why did I fucking come today? The tire barely wants to spin. The bike wants to stall. The fucking fender is full of mud and fucking clay, man. Sitä kuulella eilet. Myö kätsitsinä alkee. Fuck. I mean, what an absolutely beautiful start to the video. Like, how does one even do that? I mean, I guess that's one of the reasons I bought. Holy fuck, that was kind of spooky. Thank fuck I deflated my tires. It's gonna get all muddy again. Wonderful. Well, me basically pushing my bike over for absolutely no reason just really set the mood for the afternoon. Fuck. Man, wait till I get my new tires. They will actually be showing up today. I just don't know if I can install them on the weekend or they'll have to be maybe installed the weekend after. I don't know. But I'll be installing them very soon. I cannot wait to see what the performance is going to be like. Like, the bike took absolutely zero damage. I have the exhaust slider, I have the crash cage, and I also have the frame slider. So zero damage was taken, but completely unnecessary in my opinion. I don't even know why I decided to come to this place. You'll see, like, actually why, because it's a sick place. Until I have my new tires, it's a bit risky. Oh fuck, not again. Oh yeah. Like, why did I fucking come today? Why? Why did I come today, man? I have to deal with this shit again. I could have just had a nice little ride. Nah, man. I won't have to come to my second favorite spot and deal with this shit. With the fucking fender literally being fucked. Like, look at, I don't know if you can see this, but the tire barely wants to spin. The bike wants to stall because the fucking fender is full of mud and fucking clay, man. Why couldn't I have waited until I have the fucking tires and the fender being up here? Nah, let's fucking come today, man. Let's come today and completely ruin the fucking day. Sick idea. Like, look at all this shit, man. I can never get this out unless I like fucking pressure wash it. And I don't even want to go to that place anymore. Because look at this shit, man. Like, this is fully built up. It's fully built up. Like, look, it's like flexing, man. Because there's so much shit built up. It's not even safe to be fucking riding like this. Why couldn't I have waited, man? Why? Why not just have an ounce of self-control? Like, it's fucking flexing, man. Yeah, it's doing that again. And I need to leave this place. But the only way to leave is through shit fucking road like this. I actually wanted to come here a few weeks ago, but I got fucking stuck in the mud and I didn't have my phone and I didn't actually know where this place was off top of my head. So I didn't have my phone with me, so I kept getting fucking stuck in shit fucking road, like even worse road than this. This is actually okay. This is fine. Fuck, I'm so fucking muddy. I have to wash. I have to wash all my fucking clothes, man. Of course I have to wash the bike, but it's not just gonna be a 5-minute wash. It never is. And now I'm just fucking ranting. Like somebody should just come up to me and just smack me in the fucking face, spin my jaw, like shut up man, what a shit idea you had, you fucking doorknob. Holy fuck. Man, this is similar fucking situation like last time. Can't even sit on the fucking bike. My boots have like a kilo of fucking mud on them. Oh my god, man, why the fuck did I come here? Let me see all the mud on the bike again. Okay, the back is fine, but the front is so fucking bad. Why did I come here, man? Fuck. Look at this shit. Today was supposed to be a good day actually, some good things happening. When you already don't have like a lot of free time and you'll be washing your fucking bike for an hour, man, and fucking wasting time here, and I don't even know if I can make it home because this is not even mud, this is just dirt, but I guess it's a bit wet, which is technically I guess maybe mud. But it doesn't look bad. It does not look bad. And these tires are so fucking shit, man. So shit. Actually, the tire would be okay. The issue is that front fender. I already bought a kit that will actually make the fender mount on the, like just below the lights basically. So like so much clearance. Why couldn't I have waited? Why? Why am I mentally ill? Fuck, I got so stuck here last time, which like the road was much worse. This is like normal, this is okay. I got stuck here last time, not in this exact spot, but yeah, and I was like, yo, like there's nobody here, like who do I call? Like how do I get home, you know what I mean? Like I was like actually worried. But the plan was today, actually, I got home, ate some food, gonna come out to my second favorite location when I'm biking, go home, get changed, go do some rock climbing, because that's you know, it's fucking nice. Do that, and then go buy some sushi, some bubble tea, big up, and then now, by the time I fucking get home from all of that, or actually from just this alone, let alone the whole plan that I had, it will be like fucking 11 o'clock, man. My god, this is fucking slippery. The bike does not move. Look at that front tire, you can't see, but it's barely spinning. Oh man, I can just feel my boots weighing me down. Why did I do this? Why couldn't I have waited? I could have went anywhere else. But I had to come to the muddiest fucking spot, and it's not even, doesn't even look bad, but it is, evidently. I think the main road is actually close. I do hope that the road leading to the main road is better than this, even though it's not bad, it doesn't look bad, but evidently it's really just fucking destroying that front fender. Apologies for all the swearing, I guess. I'm gonna check my phone, maybe this road leads to the main road, I don't know. Man, I don't know if you can see my boots. It's actually not as bad as I thought. I mean, not good. See, last time I got like proper stuck in the mud on one of these roads. I don't even know where I was going with that, actually. Oh yeah, I didn't even bring my camera. Like I wasn't even recording, you know what I mean? It could have been somewhat entertaining video. Well, at least I brought it this time, but it doesn't make me a lot more happy, you know? Yeah. This mud just immediately hardens. Okay, okay, I caught you this time. Fuck this, man. Stay. Look at all this, like, imagine going at fucking like highway speeds and then the tire doesn't even want to spin. It doesn't, like it's fully clogged. Like this is some kind of like clay, because mud doesn't harden immediately like that. At least I don't think. Okay, let's check Google Maps. Thankfully I gassed up before this trip. Let's take a look. I think this road might lead to the highway. I just think that road might be like fucking shit. It does lead there, but fuck. Fuck's sake, man. The fucking clumsy fucking... Somebody messaged me. By the time I fucking get home, man, it's gonna be 8 o'clock. Do all the things I was planning. You know, I should be... I dropped my glove. You know, I should be happy I'm out here biking and all that. Should always be happy biking, you know. But knowing that that fender and that tire are not really cooperating, like, I don't want to damage the bike, fuck's sake. I don't. I'm not putting this into the video. What the fuck was that? Holy shit, what is this road, man? That's fucking crazy, man. Ooh. Holy shit. Man, I don't know about this. This leads to the highway. Like, it doesn't look good. It does not. Oh. I mean, it's okay so far. I can see some trucks in the distance. So now I have to go to a car wash, because I don't actually have, what do you call that? A fucking spray thing. What's the name of that thing? I literally just said it. Pressure washer? Yeah. So I don't have a pressure washer, so I have to go to a car wash to, you know, roughly wash the bike and then finish it at home. Oh yeah, this is okay so far, actually. Like, it looked worse than the other... Spoke too soon? Like, it looked a lot worse than the other road. But this was actually, yeah, this has been fine. I can see the highway! Man, I cannot wait to see how the bike performs with the new tires, the raised up fender. I was actually gonna say, on the bright side, but I don't even know what happened, but basically, even just upgrading the front sprocket to 14 tooth, holy shit, like crazy, man. The acceleration improvement is actually drastic, and I can of course still do normal highway speeds, like it's not even an issue. It never was, but yeah, just insane. The bike, the best way to describe it, the best way to explain it, the bike feels like a completely different bike. The acceleration is like holy shit, you know what I mean? It's just different. Oh my god, man. Okay, let's take a look. Now, of course, cannot find neutral. So this fender is okay. This is fine. This one actually, before, this got fully clogged up as well. Not today, so that's good. But this front one, because there is barely any space between the tire and the fender, it just clogs up so easily, man. With this like clay like mud. I mean, clay is probably supposed to be different color, but I never heard about fucking mud just hardening immediately. It's not going to be safe, but fuck, I need to get home somehow. I don't even really know what speeds I should be doing. Even the tire is quite warm from all the rubbing. Like, it's crazy, man. Fuck this, man. Why the fuck did I do this? I keep saying, oh, I'm never gonna do it again. And then I do it. Like, you can... Oh yeah. This rubber is fucking warm. It's warm. Well, you know, learn from other people's mistakes. Don't be stupid like me. This is crazy, man. This is so not safe. Honestly, man, the best thing would be to do is just to take off the fucking fender at this point. But then I can't bring it with me. Plus, to do that, I need to take off the fork protection on both sides. Yeah, this is absolutely not good. Like, I low-key don't even want to go rock climbing anymore. Because I know this is gonna take forever if I can even get home. It's gonna fucking take forever to get home. I mean, to wash the bike. Yeah, I don't even know what speeds to do, fuck. Honestly, I have no idea. Oh, before I go any further, I guess I should inflate the tire. Because I deflated it to do off-roading. Yeah, let's do that maybe. I think that's a pretty good idea, actually. See, the main worry I had today was absolutely not that I'm going to get stuck. It was if the 3D printed license plate holder that I made is going to actually hold up. Well, zero issues with the license plate holder, and I didn't get stuck, I guess, but that front fender just, oh my god, man. The tire rubbing against it, it's not good. I don't really know what to say, so I guess I'll see you guys at the car wash if I make it. Actually, one thing I'm going to say, if you are looking to do any amount of off-roading with the Svartpilen 401, do yourself a favor and just get a high fender mount. I don't even know how this discussion doesn't come up more often in the forums. I've only ever seen once anybody talking about mounting the fender higher on the bike. Only once I've seen that. Well, we made it. I don't know how much you can see. It's kind of dark in here. Well, I don't know if the camera is still on. Probably died a while ago. But I got the mud out, all the mud out that I could. So, guys, if you enjoyed, please smash that like button. Subscribe for more videos like this. A lot more biking videos to come. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.